Okay.
Ah,
Okay. So this is basically the HTML. It only
that's fine. See,
creates the structure of a
see,
web page.
madam, the calling. Ah,
I've taken it out. Clear, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this HTML, it basically consists of tags. Tags in the sense it is everything from the top to bottom. All right. Okay. I'll show you a simple program and execute it once. Okay.
Mhm.
So this is the basic structure of a. Can you see this, right, Chandru?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Yeah.
able.
See this. Okay, see, I'll tell you the document type HTML. So this is also one tag HTML. This is also a tag head. It is also a tag. So everything from top to bottom is a tag in HTML. And moreover, HTML consists of the building blocks. So building blocks here is nothing but an element. So element is nothing but the title, the content, and the title. So did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the title here?
Yeah.
This title. So this is an element. So this is the content. Page title is the content and title is again an element. So totally all this include as a element. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So okay, fine. Let me go through it. So document type HTML, this defines that this HTML is in HTML5 format. Okay. So that is the purpose of this document.html style. And HTML means it is just telling the browser that the HTML is starting here and it's going to end in the last. So anything you type through HTML, it has to be inside the HTML and it should be closed with the HTML tag. So if you are opening a tag, you must close a tag. Okay, that is rule number one.
Mhm.
So the next one is the head. Head section is nothing but it contains the link and also the documents. For example, you will learn it in the next sections. Okay, so you will be able to link the links through the link names. I can link you from this page to a Google page. So using links. So all this will be done through the head tag. So title, as the name suggests, it is just a small thing, whatever title you would like to give to a program or a website. So that is what you enter in the title section. So once the title is done, you should close the head section. Then you start up with the body section. So body section is the one which you can, which a viewer can visibly see. You can see this H1 or whatever you want to type or etc. Everything is under the body section. So whatever you write inside the body section will be executed on the HTML page. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. So H1, this is the header. Basically, you have 6 headers. So H1 to H6. So H1 means it is the biggest one, and H6 is the smallest header. So you will learn this in the next section. So this is just for introduction. Just know this. And next one is the paragraph. So paragraph in the sense whatever you want to write about the content or the page or anything. So you will be giving it in your own way. So that is done through this paragraph section. All right. And as I said, you're closing the body tag and you're closing the HTML tag. So I'll just run this and show it to you. And running in the sense, see, first of all, I think you know this. You'll have to save the
Yeah.
file in HTML format, right? Are
Right.
you aware of it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So then I'll just open it. So this is how the execution looks like. Okay.
Mhm.
My first heading and the paragraph. Suppose if I change the header style, I'll change to H5. Okay. To make the heading smaller.
Mhm.
Hello.
Hello. Amen.
Are you there? So please put your phone into silent mode. No?
Yeah, put it silent.
Fine. So this is basically HTML, and that is how the web structure basically looks like. Okay.
Okay.
So next one is starting up with the tags. This is actually an example of the uh, tag anything. So even you can say it as body, paragraph, header, etc. Anything. And if you are adding element inside this, no, something like this, then you totally call this as an element. Clear?
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Be a bit louder because I'm not able to hear you.
Yes, madam.
So next one is the headers tag. So this is the first tag. You call it as header. I told you, right? So there are actually 6 types of header, H1 to H6. So H1 means the heading will look the biggest, and the H6 it will gradually get increased. I mean decreased. Okay, H1 will be very big, H2 will be a bit smaller, H3 will be next smaller, and H6 will be the last smaller size. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, madam.
I think you are aware of all this,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. I am aware.
Ah, yeah. Okay. So paragraph, as I already told you, so anything you want to add, for example, the page is Google, and you can even write into a paragraph telling this is the page which shows everything you want. So this is also a paragraph. So you'll have to write it in between the p tags. Okay, I showed you on the program right now.
Yes. Yes, madam.
Okay. So next one is, so this is the one which I'm supposed to teach you today. So can you tell me where and all you use the HTML?
Mm. For all the websites I've developed
Mm.
now in Google, in web. For
Sorry.
example, everywhere in a website in
Mm.
today's page up to now, all the websites are built in HTML, I think.
No, no, no. Actually, HTML is a very basic language where it is easy to learn the coding, website coding. But actually, in the advanced section, you will not use HTML very much. So there are many other languages,
Mhm.
Angular, Node, JavaScript, etc. So
Mhm.
this is the basic structure, and I mean basic language. So this is the one which gives you a platform to go through the advanced level. For example, if you go through React JS and all, you will not be using HTML a lot. So you will be using, but not much, a very little. But the thing is, this gives you the best idea. So once you're good and perfect with the HTML, so you can do it in the other languages also. So this is the uh, yeah, as I told you, basic language, and it is the one which creates your structure of the web page and not the full web page. All right.
Okay.
So the web page, in the sense, it even includes the designing and links, etc. Many things are to be done. So HTML, it only gives you a structure, not more than that. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Ah, okay, fine. So then any doubt for you?
No, no, no. Still not. Don't.
So this is the introduction class, so only this will be taught to you today. So if you have any doubts, you can tell me, or anything else you can tell me. And if you are okay with my teaching, and if you're not okay with my teaching, you can tell me.
No, no. It's fine, madam. I can understand.
Okay, you're fine.
Yeah.
uh, all right. So okay, fine, let me take you a quick grasp. So please tell me what is HTML and why, and where is HTML.
HTML is Hypertext Markup Language.
Okay.
Uh,
Have you taken the screenshots, or have you saved, or you want me to save these materials?
I've taken the screenshot of 3 pictures, madam.
Okay. So once the course is about to end, I'll be sharing you these materials later. Okay.
Right,
And
right. Okay. Mhm.
okay. Yeah. Tell me. So I'll just go through the other attributes
Yeah.
just for a basic knowledge, because there's still time and I can't close it right now. So
Yeah. It's
so this is uh, so next one will be your font size. So I think you'll be aware of many font size, like
mhm.
Roman, calligraphy, all this. So all this comes into the font styling, and the syntax is this. tag name, style, and property value. So I'll be teaching you when I handle the fonts. So this is just a go through of the syllabus. As I told you, see, this is the bold text. If you want the text to be bold, and suppose you're typing something and you want a point to be marked as an important point, so then you can use it bold, so that it's catchy for others. They'll come to know that this is most important, or easily they can see that point. So that is the reason bold is used here. Strong is almost, that is also equal to bold, so there's no difference between strong and bold. The only thing is you use D here and you use strong here, that's it. Okay. And yes, all these have the closing tags as well. All right.
Mhm.
Closing tag in the sense, uh, whatever the elements you want to make it bold. For example, I want to make my bold text as bold. I write the bold text and I enclose it within the B brackets. Okay. B and close B. So
Okay.
you learn it once we start doing the formatting thing. Okay.
Mhm.
So this is again italicized. You'll be aware of it. I hope. So emphasize is also nothing, but it is also an italicized markation. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. So next one is table. So this is the most important one. Uh, uh, the all the other basics are just for your knowledge purpose, but the tables is the one which will be asked in your interview section. Okay.
Okay.
So usually they'll be asking you to write the programs regarding the tables, etc. They'll give you a program and tell you to make it as a table structure. That's it. So
Okay.
that's pretty easy, nothing to worry. So this is quite important.
Mhm.
And border thing, this is also like adding border or extra attraction to your page. Okay.
Okay.
And again alignment, so you want to align a text into the center or middle, whatever. So for this, for example, this click to add to title, this is added in the corner of the page. So all this can be again edited into center of the page, etc. For this purpose we'll be using the alignment headers. Okay.
Okay.
So next one is list. So again, this is also quite important, and again interview purpose questions as well. So
Mhm.
they'll be giving you a list of products and asking you to make it into a list, that is order list or unordered list. So
Okay.
order list, unordered list in the sense you will not be listing it into one, two, three or something. For example, you want it to be into bulletin point. So bulletin point, you will not be knowing this is the first bullet, this is the second bullet, right? So gradually, what the writer actually types will be the first and second. And but it is quite different in the order list. So order list means by default it is 1, 2, 3 only numbers. So you can change it into ABCD, small case and uppercase. And HTML is not case sensitive. Okay.
Mhm.
So caps OL is same as small OL. So it's not case sensitive. So
Okay.
these browsers still will work. So this is the classes thing. This is quite case, and you should be little careful with these classes. So okay, no problem. We'll see it later. This is the file paths header section. I already told. Yeah, I told you, right? Head section you'll be using links to refer to the other pages. So this is the syntax of it. Okay. Okay. Uh, and are you sleepy?
No, no.
No, right?
No, no.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine then. So this is the meta element. So you'll be using this in the later section of your programs. So anything you describe it into UTF-8, etc. Any description of the content that will be done through the metadata. Okay. So actually, as of now, I did not use it in my basics program meta, but in the next later sections, we'll be using this also. Okay. Suppose and you said you have installed your Visual Studio Code, right?
Yeah, installment.
Okay, fine. You have Notepad as
Yeah,
well,
I
right?
have. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So Notepad is very much fine. It's quite easy and easy to save also. And Visual Studio Code, in the sense, it only gives you into a decorative way. That's it. And otherwise, it is also same as your Notepad. Okay.
Okay.
Can you share your screen and type me the program and execute and show it to me?
Okay.
Okay.
In Visual Studio or in Notepad, madam?
Uh, Notepad is fine. That is easy for you.
Okay. And can you see my
Yeah.
doc type?
Hmm. Exclamation mark.
Doc type HTML. Next, next section. Closing tag.
No, Chandru, after doc type HTML, open HTML.
Okay.
Next line. HTML.
Right. Closing title.
Yeah. That's not a problem. Case,
It's a
uppercase,
case.
lowercase. Okay.
Body.
No, body is after closing your head section.
Okay.
Visual Studio Code will close the tags for you. So
Yes.
that is all it does.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
it's
that.
quite easy as well. But actually, this is quite, Notepad is quite advisable to start. So that is the reason I'm starting up with here.
No issue.
So in advanced level, let's go through Visual Studio Code. No issues.
Body meta tag. Something will come right
Yeah,
now.
there is an error. You have closed your head section twice.
Yes.
Yeah. Remove. Any doubt?
Ah, I have to sit down.
Okay. Okay. Title, give some title, no?
Ah,
No, you haven't written anything. Don't save it right now. Wait, let's finish the program.
okay.
Title, give something. Yeah, my first program. Okay. So you have closed the body twice. So remove that and type HTML. Closing tag HTML. Okay, fine. So enter. Give your header and give your paragraph. So that will be executed over there, right?
Okay.
No. Chandru, you should write it. Yeah, inside the body section. This is your paragraph or heading.
Paragraph. Right, madam.
One second. So after body, close paragraph, and you have not given your heading, right? Header folder.
Header.
Yeah, body. After body, H1. Before paragraph, it is H. Yeah, H1. Close. Close head, right? H1.
Yes, madam. I closed.
It's H.
Ah,
It's only H1.
ah.
Okay, so closing your body, close your HTML as well. Slash HTML. Save the file with .html extension, okay? .html. First .html. Choose it to document.
Yes.
Okay, now go back to your document section and open it using your browser. What happened?
I'm open.
I'm not able to see.
Yeah. Sharing. Madam, how to share my screen of two things, that Windows, Skype, and everything?
You can share it together. Or else you can minimize the
No.
other one and share your document. It's not happening.
Now see.
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay, fine. So that's it. Yeah, okay, right. So you understood. So this is the basic thing.
Yeah.
So if you get a strong hold of this, you'll be able to understand the other sections also. So any
Okay.
HTML coding will be doing in this format only. So
Okay.
only thing is you'll be adding few more concepts like links, fonts, tables, etc. So you'll be adding others. So basic structure is this. So this structure is wrong, then you'll not be able to do anything. I mean, you'll be finding out errors. So if you're okay and if you're perfect with this, the others will be very easy. So
Mhm.
okay, fine, very good, nice.
Thank you,
So
madam.
first class, I'm really happy with you.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. So any doubts you can ask me now. So this is all for today.
Mhm. No, I
So
don't have any doubts up to now.
any doubts? So you're okay with my teaching?
Yeah,
Flexible
yeah,
enough?
fine, madam.
Timing is flexible?
Time is flexible. No issue.
Okay, and I told you if you have any doubts, you can ask me in Kannada and I can talk to you in Kannada very well. Okay? So
Okay,
that's
madam.
not a problem. All right, fine. Then okay, see you, take care tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, madam. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye, madam.
Bye.